everyone, welcome to Groovy Kids. Today we're going to be showing you an awesome story called The Comic Buffet. And it's going to have a mole and it's going to be awesome. So let's get into it, starting now. Hiya, Toots.
Hot pot! Wow, you climb.
The man put soup in me, so I'm a hot pot.
Well, that's sad. I can help.
What in the world are you doing?
Well, what I'm doing? I emptied you.
Thanks. I guess. Thanks.
And you also had a baby.
Yep, I can see that.
You got a crack, Mama.
Tom Toast, come here.
I'm sorry for you. I'll help. There we go. That should be all better now.
Thanks.
Wait, that cup's got a crack in him.
Oh my.
I should probably
He got
help.
a crack.
I should probably help. Why is the toaster on the floor in the soup? I'm all fixed. I'm very beautiful.
You look better than me.
Well, that's sad for you.
Oh, that's so sad. Disappointing. The moral of the story is always be generous. Bye. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Well, you can put some requests for other videos. Well, bye.